Hello, Oliver here from the company eTrading Europe. In this video, I want to show you what we have in the warehouse. It is original Dyson Bin Assembly. As you might already know, we often have Dyson original spare parts in the warehouse for sale. If you need more information, please contact me or one of my colleagues and we will be able to assist you. For more information, look under this video. Thank you for watching it. See you next time.